So country, why don't y'all ever use black pepper when you cook and anything?
Black pepper is used to stop radiator leaks. Nothing else. I don't want that in my food.
Wow.
Welcome on everyone. My name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today we're going to be talking about 5 rules in the Jamaican kitchen. That's 5 things that you must know when you pull up to a Jamaican's house and you're going in the kitchen. Stay tuned and make we check this out. First things first, the number 1 rule in the Jamaican kitchen: do not stir the rice with a spoon. Do not stir the rice with a spoon. Anybody in Jamaica that you know and you ask them, how do you stir the rice? It's gotta be with a fork. Stirring the rice with a spoon will burn it. I don't know why, it just happens. So just remember, you go to a Jamaican house and they ask you, stir the rice, don't use a spoon. That will be bad. Next thing, and this is in no particular order, wash your chicken. I know there's been a lot of controversy and direction from the CDC and a lot of people saying don't wash your chicken because of course you're gonna spread salmonella around everywhere. I cannot not wash my chicken. So how about, in order to not spread salmonella, you just clean up the kitchen right after you wash the chicken. One more thing, very important, touched on in the last one, clean the kitchen. Cleaning the kitchen means clean as you go. Don't leave dirty dishes overnight, that when you wake up in the morning, your kitchen's smelling all funky. So clean your kitchen, clean as you go, that way when you're done cooking, all your dishes and pots and pans are put away. Next rule, non nyam angoe. In English, that means don't just eat and leave. If a Jamaican invites you over to the house, food is served, food is good, you take a drink of water, and you decide to leave, that's a no-no. You won't get invited back to the next cookout, straight up. When a Jamaican is cooking, pepper does not mean black pepper. Jamaicans don't use black pepper because black pepper cannot dissolve. So cooking with it, there's no way for you to break it down in your cooking. That way your body can pass it through really easy. So as a rule, Jamaicans don't really use black pepper. We use cayenne pepper, we use pepper sauce, we're gonna use some habanero pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, red pepper flakes, all of that we can cook and get the heat out of, not black pepper. That's not pepper. It's not pepper at all. Black pepper is used to stop radiator leaks, nothing else. One more thing about Jamaican cooking, use fresh herbs and seasonings every time. If you watch every one of my videos that I cook in, I use fresh herbs and veggies all the time. Onions, green onions, which scallions, thyme, peppers. We use fresh bell peppers, fresh hot peppers, garlic, ginger, everything. Garlic powder, ginger powder do have a place, but it's not the norm. If you're making something that you don't really want chunks of ginger in, then of course you could mash the ginger or crush it. But as a rule in general, it's gonna be fresh herbs and seasonings every time. These 5 rules are just 5 things that guide me in the kitchen every single day. These are just things I grew up with. I didn't make any of them up, I promise. And if you see or hear anything in this video that you can relate to, drop me a comment. Let me know what your parents told you about black pepper, and let me know what you think about using fresh herbs and vegetables in your video. Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Share this on your Facebook with your friends, anywhere. Drop some feedback and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.